I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Grandpa feels excited about the garden. Grandpa feels excited about the garden. We feel grateful for our family. We feel grateful for our family.
You look nervous before the presentation. You look nervous before the presentation. Grandma seems tired after cooking. Grandma seems tired after cooking.
I feel proud of my homemade cookies. I feel proud of my homemade cookies. Grandpa feels calm in his favorite armchair. Grandpa feels calm in his favorite armchair. We feel curious about the new neighbors. We feel curious about the new neighbors.
You seem confused about the directions. You seem confused about the directions. Grandma looks delighted with the surprise gift. Grandma looks delighted with the surprise gift.
I feel peaceful watching the sunset. I feel peaceful watching the sunset. Grandpa feels nostalgic looking at old photographs. Grandpa feels nostalgic looking at old photographs. We feel cozy by the fireplace. We feel cozy by the fireplace.
You seem thoughtful while reading the letter. You seem thoughtful while reading the letter. Grandpa looks cheerful arranging fresh flowers. Grandpa looks cheerful arranging fresh flowers.
I feel relieved after finding the lost recipe book. Grandpa feels content reading his favorite newspaper. Grandpa feels content reading his favorite newspaper. We feel inspired by the blooming spring garden. We feel inspired by the blooming spring garden.
You appear worried about the weather forecast. You appear worried about the weather forecast. Grandma looks amazed at the colorful butterfly. Grandma looks amazed at the colorful butterfly.
I feel energized after the morning walk. I feel energized after the morning walk. Grandpa feels satisfied with his vegetable harvest. You seem focused while sketching the landscape. You seem focused while sketching the landscape. We feel adventurous exploring the nearby forest trail. We feel adventurous exploring the nearby forest trail.
Grandma looks touched by the handwritten thank you card. Grandma looks touched by the handwritten thank you card.
I feel overwhelmed by all the garden tasks today. I feel overwhelmed by all the garden tasks today. Grandpa feels determined to help her finish everything. Grandpa feels determined to help her finish everything. We feel motivated working together on the flower beds. We feel motivated working together on the flower bed.
You seem refreshed after drinking the cold lemonade. You seem refreshed after drinking the cold lemonade. Grandma looks accomplished admiring the weeded garden beds. Grandma looks accomplished admiring the weeded garden beds.
I feel surprised by the sudden rainstorm. I feel surprised by the sudden rainstorm. We feel safe together inside the warm cottage. We feel safe together inside the warm cottage. Grandpa feels protective during the loud thunderclaps. Grandpa feels protective during the loud thunderclaps.
You seem mesmerized watching the rain patterns on glass. You seem mesmerized watching the rain patterns on glass. Grandma looks serene lighting the evening candles. Grandma looks serene lighting the evening candles.
I feel comforted by Grandpa's warm embrace. I feel comforted by Grandpa's warm embrace. Grandpa feels grateful for every moment together. Grandpa feels grateful for every moment together.
We feel connected through the stormy evening.
We feel connected through the stormy evening.
Grandpa looks peaceful knitting by the hearth. Grandpa looks peaceful knitting by the hearth.
I feel hopeful watching the storm clouds finally pass. Grandpa feels optimistic about the sunny afternoon ahead. Grandpa feels optimistic about the sunny afternoon ahead. We feel ready to enjoy the beautiful day together. We feel ready to enjoy the beautiful day together.
You seem joyful picking fresh vegetables from the garden. You seem joyful. Grandma looks fulfilled preparing dinner with the fresh harvest. Grandma looks fulfilled preparing dinner with the fresh harvest.
I feel satisfied completing the delicious meal. I feel satisfied completing the delicious meal. You seem reassured by the glowing firelight. You seem reassured by the glowing firelight. We feel blessed sharing this beautiful evening meal. We feel blessed sharing this beautiful evening meal.
You seem content enjoying the peaceful candlelit dinner. You seem content enjoying the peaceful candlelit dinner. Grandma looks thankful holding Grandpa's hand under the stars. Grandma looks thankful holding Grandpa's hand under the stars.
Let's replay! Let's replay!
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.